Did you know that just 2 minutes a day can determine whether at 80 or 90 years old you'll still move with ease? Or if every step will bring pain to your knees, hips, and back? In Japan, this difference comes from simple, almost invisible movements practiced for generations. Today, I'll show you 4 Japanese movements that strengthen muscles and joints, prevent inflammation, and restore lightness to the body. Even if you already feel stiffness or discomfort when standing up, start today, and in less than 2 weeks, you'll feel your body more stable, flexible, and confident in movement. But before we begin, I'd love to know you better. Write your name and where you're watching from in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because there's much more coming your way. Movement 1. The awakening of the joints. In Japan, the morning begins with a small ritual that awakens the body before even leaving the house. It's a silent, almost meditative gesture called Karada Okoshi, the awakening of the body. With just a few minutes of gentle movement, they reactivate circulation, warm up the joints, and eliminate stiffness accumulated during sleep. This simple habit has a scientific basis. According to the Tokyo Metropolitan Institute of Gerontology, people who perform gentle joint stretches in the morning experience up to 30% less stiffness and chronic pain in the legs and back. It's the first step to prepare the body for a lighter, pain-free day. To practice, sit comfortably on a firm chair, back supported, feet flat on the floor. Relax your shoulders, keep your abdomen slightly active, and rest your hands under your thighs or on your legs. Now slowly lift one foot, extending the knee until the leg is almost straight, with the heel slightly pointing forward. Hold this position for 2 seconds, feeling your thigh muscles activate. Then slowly lower the foot to the floor, controlling the movement until the heel touches the ground again. Repeat this leg extension 10 times on each side, keeping a calm and steady rhythm. Inhale as you extend, exhale as you bend. The secret is in the slowness. Each repetition should feel like a conversation between your body and your breath. As you continue, you'll feel a gentle warmth around the knee. That's blood circulation and synovial fluid being stimulated, as if you're lubricating the body's gears. It's a light, accessible movement for any age, yet deeply effective. In just a few days, you'll notice your knees loosen, your legs feel lighter, and your body wakes up with more energy. And if this movement awakens the joints, the next one goes straight to the source of Japanese strength and stability, the hips, the true center of balance and vitality. Movement 2. The hip foundation. The Japanese say that the body's strength lives in the hips, and it's true. When this area weakens, the whole body loses balance, and the knees end up carrying all the weight alone. That's why the second movement is inspired by shikodachi, a stance from Japanese martial arts used for centuries to train stability. To practice, spread your feet wider than shoulder width. Keep your spine straight and bend your knees slightly, as if sitting on an invisible chair. Stay in this position for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply and feeling the weight evenly distributed between both feet. This simple gesture activates the deep muscles of the hips and thighs, the same ones that support your body when you get out of bed or climb stairs. Studies from Kyushu University show that this posture improves alignment between hips and knees, reduces pressure on the joints, and increases muscular endurance safely, even in older adults. Over time, you'll notice that simple tasks, like bending down, standing up, or walking, require less effort. And more than strength, this movement restores confidence. Those who master shikodachi learn to root themselves to the ground, to feel their body stable and their mind calm. But if the hips are the foundation of strength, the next movement is the Japanese secret to protecting the knees, one of the body parts that suffers most over time. Movement 3. The path of the knees. In Japan, It's common to see elders doing a curious exercise while waiting for tea to boil. The knee flow, or flow of the knees. They move their bodies gently forward and backward, with knees slightly bent, as if swaying to the rhythm of the wind. It may seem too simple to work, but this movement activates synovial fluid, the body's natural oil that keeps joints healthy. A study from Tohoku University showed that this kind of rhythmic motion improves internal joint circulation and can reduce pain by up to 40% after a few weeks of consistent practice. To practice, stand up, bend your knees slightly, and shift your body weight forward and backward slowly for 1 minute. The secret is in the smoothness. Your body moves like bamboo in the wind, firm yet flexible. Beyond protecting the knees, the knee flow strengthens stabilizing muscles, those that help maintain balance when walking on uneven ground or climbing stairs. It's an invisible workout that strengthens the body effortlessly and prepares the legs to move lightly for years to come. And if the knee flow protects the knees, the next movement takes care of the most forgotten and essential point of all, the ankles. Movement 4. Circles of energy. In Japan, there's an old saying, if the ankle is light, the body is free. This wisdom reflects a real physiological principle. The ankle is the body's first balance point, and its flexibility determines the stability of the entire musculoskeletal system. That's why the Japanese practice ashikubi mawashi every day, the circular movement of the ankles. It's a simple yet profound exercise that activates circulation, improves venous return, and keeps the body stable. To practice, sit or stand, lift one foot, and draw slow circles in the air, 10 times in each direction. Repeat with the other foot. During the movement, keep your breathing calm and notice your body relaxing. Research from the Osaka Rehabilitation Center shows that this type of movement reduces the risk of chronic leg and hip pain by up to 25% and improves proprioception, the body's ability to sense its own balance. Over time, this exercise becomes almost meditative. As you rotate the ankle, the body loosens, the mind slows down, and energy seems to flow again. It's the simplest gesture, yet the most transformative. In just 2 minutes a day, you've learned 4 Japanese movements capable of strengthening your joints, relieving pain, and bringing lightness back to your body. They activate circulation, realign posture, and reteach the body to move in harmony. What seems simple is, in fact, ancient wisdom. In Japan, strength doesn't come from lifting weights, but from moving with awareness. These quiet rituals, practiced daily, keep the body awake and the spirit serene well into the 90s. You don't need a gym, equipment, or excessive effort, just consistency and attention. Day by day, these small gestures restore the freedom that time once tried to take away. Now it's your turn. Start with one movement today and feel the difference in the coming weeks. Remember, longevity isn't about resisting time. It's about moving in peace with it.